Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me video for the upcoming week using a vertical planner layout. For my weekly planning, I like to write out all of my to-dos and also do a bit of journaling so that I can look back and see what I got up to during that week. I switched from using an hourly weekly layout because I found I preferred more space to just make lists and decorate with stickers, and I always have my daily page which has an hourly time schedule. Here I'm using a clip art sheet and I'm cropping out the image that I want. I've removed the white background already using Photoshop so that it looks more like a sticker. I like to use washi tape to separate my work tasks from my personal and business tasks. I recently made a change to my work schedule to part-time, so now I work Mondays to Wednesdays, and hopefully this means I'll have more time for the things that I'm passionate about, one of which is the planner business that I run with my husband Dan. Our Etsy shop has had over 33,000 sales to date, and for the last 2 years I've been juggling a full-time job alongside the business. And because I value having downtime, I made a decision to cut back on my job in order to focus on the business, which is my passion and my top priority. I love using reminder stickers such as these word stickers as well as the sticky notes because they make it super easy for me to see my tasks for the week, and they also help to decorate my page. I'm a bit of a night owl, so I'm constantly staying up late, which is a terrible habit, and in particular I don't sleep well if I'm feeling anxious about anything. I have a sleep tracker in my planner which I'm considering starting to use. So here I'm just color blocking my non-working days so that I can easily see at a glance which days I am off work. Since my work schedule is the same for every month, I'm just going to copy paste the highlighter to all the other months. I also have some annual leave days which I have blocked out in a different color. What I love about digital planning is how easy it is to copy paste, move things around and undo any mistakes. I'm a big fan of journaling for memory keeping, so I'm using the space at the bottom to write down my thoughts and feelings for this week. Once I've completed a task, I'm crossing it off with a highlighter pen, and any tasks I haven't completed, I will just move them over to the next day with the lasso tool. Dan and I haven't had much time for TV recently, but we usually catch up on some Netflix over dinner, and here I'm just journaling the TV series we're currently watching. In designing this planner, I deliberately left the bottom part blank for notes or anything else you want to plan. I'm using this to track my daily habits. I recently had to go to the dentist for a filling, so I am currently really focused on looking after my teeth. I haven't yet finalized any plans for the weekend, so I'm using this space to brainstorm some product ideas for the planner shop. And finally, I'm testing some freebie stickers that are almost ready to go into the freebie vault. These are semi-transparent color blocks that you can use to add more color to your planner pages, and you will still be able to see the writing underneath. In Goodnotes, they are a bit fiddly to resize over a particular box due to how the app deals with images, but overall I think they are pretty good for adding color. And the image sizes are really tiny, so you don't have to worry about the file size bloat. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more of my digital planning. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.